This is the 14-in-1 multi-tools. So essentially a plier pattern after the Leatherman series of tools. So, and it also came with this what do you call this? Pouch that fits perfectly there. So here's the tool. You have the long nose, the regular plier, you have the wire cutter, and here you have the knife. I think this is a bottle opener. Yep. And screwdriver slotted. You have Phillips. You have this, the scaler. They said it's a hook remover. And then in here you have file, another yeah, this is the file. Then you have bottle opener, and this one bottle opener as well. Bottle this is more like a can opener rather. A smaller slotted screwdriver. You have wood saw, and that's pretty much it. So you got spring. The workmanship is not too bad. It's not to the quality of a Leatherman, of course, but overall it's not too bad. So it's got plastic over here. This one like, I don't like aluminum, I think. No, it's not plastic, but aluminum. This is plastic. And this one here, this looks like a spring. So you can see probably inside there. Ouch! And there, it looks like a spring that locks the tools in place. So if you put this one out, yeah, it's a bit secure, but not really secure. It doesn't really lock it. Just provides some tension so that you can use it. And the knife is sharp, but not too sharp. But yeah. Then you have the slotted screwdriver. So that's how it looks unfolded. It's not too bad. Made of stainless steel. Yeah, but of course stainless steel doesn't mean it doesn't get rusted, so you need to lubricate and take care of it. Yeah, overall it's not too bad. It's about $10. $10, so 500 pesos, 450 pesos. So that's how it looks like folded. And also the sheath or the pouch. So yeah, not too bad for a $10 multi-purpose tool. So for comparison, this is my old Leatherman. This is about 25 years old. It's very old. Notice some rust, but it's still okay. Yeah, all tools are still in place. This one got scissors. Yeah, so this is the original wave. It even says your patent pending. This is too old. So of course you cannot compare a, I don't know what's this, $150 tool to a $10 tool. So they're just way too far. But yeah, it's a bit bulky. It's about twice the size. So that's the Leatherman. It's very small and folded compared to this. So yeah, hope that helps you guys. Thank you.